It is important to consult a pharmacist or physician before taking Om3-Dha-Epa-D3-Lutein-Zeazanth Capsule. They can provide guidance on the appropriate dosage and timing for your individual needs. Remember to always consult your pharmacist or physician before starting any new medication. In the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about any side effects, and report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, and report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Now let's talk about the uses of Om3-Dha-Epa-D3-Lutein-Zeazanth Capsule. This medication is commonly used as a dietary supplement to support overall health. It may help in promoting heart health, brain function, and eye health. The recommended daily dosage may vary, so it's important to follow the instructions on the label or as directed by your healthcare provider. It's best to take this medication with a meal to improve absorption. Remember to always follow the recommended dosage and timing for the best results. Talk to your pharmacist or doctor for more information. It's important to consult with your pharmacist or physician before starting any new medication. Make sure to keep a list of all your medications and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. This will help them ensure that the Om3-Dha-Epa-D3-Lutein-Zeazanth Capsule is safe for you to take with your current medications. The Om3-Dha-Epa-D3-Lutein-Zeazanth Capsule is a combination of omega-3, DHA, EPA, vitamin D3, lutein, and zeaxanthin. It is used to support overall eye health, brain function, and cardiovascular health. This supplement can also help in reducing inflammation and improving cognitive function. The daily dosage of Om3-Dha-Epa-D3-Lutein-Zeazanth Capsule may vary depending on your specific health needs. It's best to follow the instructions on the label or as directed by your healthcare provider. It's recommended to take this supplement with food to enhance absorption. If you or someone you know has taken too much Om3-Dha-Epa-D3-Lutein-Zeazanth Capsule and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call 911 or the local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. Currently, there is no detailed information available about Om3-Dha-Epa-D3-Lutein-Zeazanth Capsule. However, this supplement is often taken to support overall health and well-being. It may provide benefits for heart health, brain function, eye health, and immune system support. The daily dosage may vary depending on individual needs and health conditions, so it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting this supplement. It's generally recommended to take this capsule with a meal to maximize absorption. Always follow the instructions on the product label or as directed by a healthcare provider. Talk to your pharmacist or doctor for more information. It's important to consult your pharmacist or physician before taking any medication. When it comes to discarding this product, be sure to follow the proper disposal guidelines. Do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. It's best to properly discard the product and it is expired or no longer needed. If you have any questions about how to safely dispose of the product, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for more details. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.